Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about lead magnets. It's going to be our lead magnet tutorial, why they're important, what they are, and why you need them. So I have the HubSpot blog opened up right now. They define everything extremely well, so I'm just going to use their definition. So lead magnet, marketing tool that generates leads, pretty obvious, by offering a long-form resource in exchange for a prospect's contact information. Lead magnets can take the forms of ebooks, white papers, templates, and similar downloadable assets. This exchange takes place at the second stage of a buyer's conversion path. So, lead magnets are basically something that you're willing to give away in exchange for someone's information. So, for us, Surfside PPC, if you come to our homepage, we have a short little guide here, how to promote your business online in 2018. Enter your name and email. Once you enter it, you're going to be sent our ebook automatically. It's all done through MailChimp. So MailChimp offers an autoresponder service, so you can say, okay, when someone fills out their name and email, I want to send them this email right away. And then once they have to confirm their subscription. That's actually just a law. You need people to confirm their subscription to your email list so that you can send them emails. So once they confirm, the next thing they get is this ebook. So if I didn't give away this ebook and I just had, hey, enter your name and email address and we'll send you occasional email updates, it's going to be a much lower conversion rate. I'm not going to have as many subscribers. As it stands right now, I have, well over 1,000 subscribers. I've never promoted this, in terms of like paid promotion. Everything's kind of been done through YouTube videos, driving traffic to my website, search engine traffic, driving traffic to my website, things like that. And then when people kind of watch my videos, they like the information I have, so they're willing to give me their name and their email address in exchange for this book. And now I have a subscriber base of, over 1,000 people that, let's say I want to release a new video series or a new ebook, something paid or premium, I can send it to them first, maybe even offer a discount since they're my best customers, and hopefully, have my subscribers to, if you release a new book and you can sell a couple hundred copies pretty quickly and you can get some good reviews, it helps drive more sales for you. So that's kind of why it's so important to have a lead magnet, because you're building up this base of subscribers. You're building up an audience that you help them with great content and they help you, in return by sharing your content, by buying your content, different things like that. So I'm going to give you some different examples of lead magnets because not everybody's, in the marketing business. There's different things you can give away. So this is a very simple example of one. The next example is going to be much more complex, but see kind of how huge companies do it. So Hgtv has these Hgtv Urban Oasis 2018 sweepstakes. I don't even know exactly what it is. Maybe you get a vacation or you get this house. I'm not positive. Either way, so it's a 50K cash prize provided by national mortgage lender Quicken Loans, and then Hgtv Urban Oasis 2018. So basically they're teaming up with Quicken Loans, and you start by entering your email address. Once you enter that, they're going to ask for more information, name, address, different things like that. So you're giving them your information, it's your choice. I want to give them my information, and in return I have a chance to win this Hgtv Urban Oasis plus a 50K cash prize. And basically Hgtv can look at this as, okay, we're going to get a ton of leads from this because they can promote it on the TV all day, they can promote it online, they have huge channels to promote this. So they're able to get thousands and thousands and thousands of people's information, and also teaming up with Quicken Loans, so both of them kind of both get that information. And you can see here, information will be used in accordance with our privacy policy, but ultimately what they want is, okay, we have thousands and thousands of people that just entered this. Now we can send them marketing emails. Now we can send them, different things that we have going on, different sweepstakes, all sorts of things. And ultimately, you're giving up your information, and their goal from you is to make more money from you down the road. So next thing here is going to be kind of a good example. So sometimes you have an article, so on-page SEO checklist. So I come here, opt-in monster, actually a really, really great service for driving more leads and getting more opt-ins from people. So if you come here to the solutions, if you have an e-commerce website, maybe you're an agency, maybe you're just a publisher with a website, they have some different solutions here. Grow your email list, reduce cart abandonment. I'd highly recommend looking into it if you haven't already. They're a great service. Pricing is pretty reasonable. So I don't use them, but they're definitely a great service, and I'd recommend them. So on-page SEO checklist. So I'm coming through here. So I'm kind of looking at all the different strategies, and one thing they have is, exclusive bonus, download the on-page SEO checklist to fully optimize your posts. So I click on this, name and email address. So this is a lead magnet, and it's a really good one because it's a lot of great information here, but I don't have the actual checklist of all the little things I need to do. So having just this visual of a nice checklist of, okay, here's my on-page SEO checklist that I need to go through, I'm willing to enter my name and email address for that. Similarly, Facebook ad template library, very simple, 7 proven Facebook ad campaigns. It says this 11-word ad netted 208,000. Top 3 Facebook ads that generated combined 110,000 leads for just $1.76 a piece. So, kind of it looks really complex, and it probably is. It is time consuming. It probably takes days to create these lead magnets, but just creating this lead magnet is going to drive thousands and thousands and thousands of people to your website, especially if they can rank for Facebook ad templates. So somebody comes in here, comes right into the website. I would give my information for this without a doubt. You get it back, and now it's a lead. So very simple. One of the best at it, Neil Patel. So you can see how to generate, 1.7 million visitors a month through SEO. I click yes, I want to teach Neil, or I want Neil to teach me. I want to teach Neil. Yes, I want Neil to teach me. Select a date and time for your webinar. First name, email address. See how quick and easy some of these things are. Okay, so next I want to go over a few more different types of lead magnets. So one example is going to be Tailwind app. So this is really popular with software as a service business, is to try Tailwind free, try the service for free. So sometimes they give you like a 2-week free trial, a 1-month free trial. So it really depends. And the ultimate goal is to get you in the door, so you start using that product, find some value from it, and then realize that, hey, the $9.99 per month or whatever the overall cost is to use that product is worth it, because I'm going to be able to drive more revenue using this product. So Tailwind app is one like that worked for me. I was looking for Pinterest scheduler, and Tailwind was the first one I found. I looked at pricing. It was within my budget, so I started a 2-week trial. I used it a ton for the first 2 weeks, and I realized that my Pinterest page was growing. I'm driving more traffic from Pinterest. I'm driving more sales from Pinterest. So it's really easy to justify the investment, and that's the best way to look at it, is you can try these things for free, and it could be worth the investment, and that's why you do the lead magnet, because then people see, okay, there's a lot of value here. I'm willing to pay for this because there's so much value. And if I never tried it, I would never really know that. So the next example, kind of similar, but SiriusXM. So they're really known for giving away free trial months, whether it's the streaming version, whether it's in your car, whatever it is. So right here is a 2-month free trial. So this is a great lead magnet, because most people, if they don't cancel within the first couple weeks, are at least going to go for 1 more month. Because they completely forget about their trial. Either that, or they become so into it and they become so basically addicted to listening to SiriusXM every day that, why cancel it, because it's worth the investment. So getting people in the door is one of the big reasons why you do a lead magnet. So a free trial is a great way to do that. Last but not least, one thing I just want to show you. So you'll see these all the time. So you come to a website, someone's looking at your content, and you get this pop-up. Do you want my 11-point perfect sales funnel checklist? You're probably so used to going, no, my funnel is perfect, or just Xing out. But these work. This is another example of a lead magnet. So the whole point of this pop-up is for this person to get, this website, autogrow.co. They want, my email, my name probably. So if I click yes, send it to me, it's a very quick way to get a lead. So this is one way to capture your current traffic that you're getting that's not converting for you. So if you have a ton of search engine traffic, you're getting organic traffic to your website, this is a great way to drive more leads, because people aren't always going to see, the things that you have to offer. So this is our lead magnet tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. The main thing is you just want to give away some value related to your niche, related to what your website is or what you're selling. Give away some value, drive some leads back, and then you can nurture those leads and hopefully make some more sales. And sometimes you get, a certain amount of leads and only a small percentage convert, but it's worth, that whole time building them up. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching our video today.